Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty wild. Those reeds.
colonizar, porque esa es una de las misiones que tenemos aparte de, bueno, de encontrar, ¿no es cierto?, este paso alternativo que propuso enfrentar a este caballero. Sin embargo, olvida sus...
The main difference. And also, when the Magallanes penguins start to came here, they came in summer season, okay? But the first colony to arrive into the Magdalena Island arrived in the end of spring. You see a lot of feathers flying around, okay? What else? Well, the penguin have a main predator. The main predator.
Where you're going to see a group of penguins already there. Van ahí ya a ver un grupo de pingüinos bastante cerca.
Definitely like cooked differently than the last one. I feel like it's a more authentic flavor.
Oh my god, it's not coming.
Maybe we should get American before we
Is a souvenir?
yeah, souvenir.
Good, I did the evil laugh.